ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Shillong Manipur Students Union ringkat ka jing trelang bat ka All Manipur Students Union. Ha ka shitrek risau arajar hulai. Kila pelong da ka jing thangi ki mambati. Ha Don Bosco Square Shillong. Kum kadak ka jing asnok ti bat ka jing ngolem halor ka Jingshah Pynïap. Jongki Arngut ki Samla ki bratip kerteng kum ka Samla hijam lin thai gomi khat nyos nam karta bat u hijam hemjet ar pos nam karta ki berasa rabor bat cha Pynïap hadien bakila jar ngai nadu unaitum arajar fulai. Yakni jingjala shimti dak Central Bureau of Investigation CBI ban toket kat kum ka jingdawa ki pai ba nong shoshnong ka Manipur.
We very unfortunately, our beloved students in Manipur have killed by some unknown or maybe some other parties, which is very unfortunate. We condemn and then we want justice from the government side, either from the state government or maybe the central government. We want a justice. What we are doing here is nothing but we want a justice where the people will know that the law is still under the country. Manipur is inside or maybe a part of India. If Manipur is not a part of India, then we should left behind. But we don't want that. We want what the banner says, that we condemn killing of students who is L. Ringtuinganbi and PH Emanjit, and then we demand justice. Not just for the two persons or the two students who have been killed, but for the whole Manipur. Manipur integrity should be maintained. In any condition, at any cost, we will give our blood, but Manipur will not be sacrificed at all. And that's how we are standing here. Though the numbers are less or though the numbers are more, our standing together unites and we will stand for the rights. And then the government of India, the state government and the CSOs of Manipur or the Northeast must come together and must identify that what is actually happening in Manipur, must talk, must have a discussion instead of with the gunfights, violence, which will create to the loss of human beings, to the loss of humanity. We do not want that. We want peace, no to war, yes to the peace.